Hello friends and my dear students, welcome back to my channel Phoenix Physics. Today we are going to learn magnetism. What is magnetism? It is a force exerted by the magnet when they attract or repel each other. It is caused by motion of electric charges. The word magnetism was derived from the iron ore magnetite. Formula for magnetite is Fe3O4. In olden days, these magnets were used as magnetic compass needle for navigation. In modern days, these magnets are used in motors, generators, laptop, mobile phone, etc. In the year 1820, Oersted observed that the deflection of magnetic compass needle near the current carrying wire. This observation gave the evidence of connection between electric and magnetic phenomena. In this lesson, we are going to study about the properties of the magnet, how the current carrying conductor behave as a magnet. Next, we are going to study about Earth's magnetic field. You know that freely suspended bar magnet or magnetic compass needle comes to rest along the geographical north and south direction of the earth. Gover suggested that earth magnetic field is due to hot rays coming out from sun. These rays heat up the air near the equatorial region. Once air becomes hotter, it rises above and moves towards northern and southern hemisphere of the earth and get electrified. This may be responsible to magnetize ferromagnetic material on the surface of the earth. But none of the theory completely explains earth magnetism. Next, we are going to discuss magnetic elements. You know that earth spins around its axis. That axis is known as geographic axis. Wherever the axis touches the surface of the earth are called poles. We have two poles, one is north pole, another one is south pole. According to Gilbert theory, earth itself behaves as a bar magnet with a magnetic field pointing from geographic south direction to north, which means for this earth magnet, this one is north pole and this one is south pole. This is geographic south pole. This north pole is for earth magnet. When you suspend a bar magnet or magnetic compass needle, it always comes to rest along the north-south direction. The north pole of the needle is attracted towards the south pole of the earth magnet, which is near to the geographic north pole. Similarly, south pole of the magnetic needle is attracted towards the north pole of the earth magnet, which is near the geographic south pole. The branch of physics which deals with the earth magnetic field is known as geomagnetism or terrestrial magnetism. There are three quantities required to specify earth magnetic field. They are magnetic declination D, magnetic dip or inclination I, horizontal component of earth magnetic field BH. Next, we are going to discuss magnetic declination. What is geographic meridian? You know that earth spins around its axis. That axis is known as geographic axis. A vertical plane passing through the geographic axis is called geographic meridian. Or simply we can say an imaginary plane containing geographic north pole and geographic south pole. This is called geographic meridian. And a circle perpendicular to the Earth's geographic axis is called geographic equator. What about magnetic meridian? The straight line connects north and south pole of the magnet is called magnetic axis. A vertical plane passing through this magnetic axis is called magnetic meridian. A circle perpendicular to this magnetic meridian is called magnetic equator. For your understanding, I redraw the diagram. This is our magnetic meridian. This one is geographic meridian. The angle between magnetic meridian and geographic meridian is called as magnetic declination D. This magnetic declination is greater at higher latitude, smaller near equator. For India, this D value is very small. Especially for Chennai, D value is -1 degree 8 minutes. Next we are going to discuss magnetic inclination. Look at the diagram. At poles, the magnetic needle makes an angle 90 degrees with the earth magnetic field in the horizontal direction. Then it tilted like this. At equator, it comes parallel to the earth magnetic field in the horizontal direction. So, how do you define magnetic inclination? The angle subtended by the earth total magnetic field with the horizontal direction in a magnetic meridian is called magnetic inclination. For Chennai, magnetic inclination is 14 degree 16 minutes. How do you define horizontal component of earth magnetic field? The component of earth magnetic field along the horizontal direction in the magnetic meridian is called horizontal component of earth magnetic field. See, this is our magnetic field of the earth. This magnetic field is resolved into two components. One is horizontal component BH, another one is vertical component BV. The formula for horizontal component BH is equal to BE cos I. For vertical component BV equal to BE sin I. This is my equation 1, 2. Equation 2 is divided by 1. So, BV by BH is equal to BE sin I divided by BE cos I. So, cancel this BE. Sin I by cos I is nothing but tan I. So, tan I is equal to BV by BH. Magnetic compass needle comes parallel to the surface of the earth. So, here I value is 0. You know that horizontal component formula and vertical component formula. Just substitute I value in these formula. So, BH is equal to BE cos 0. Cos 0 means 1. So, BE alone. What about BV? BV equal to BE sin 0. Sin 0, 0. So, at equator, horizontal component is maximum, vertical component is 0. At poles, the magnetic compass needle makes 90 degree with the surface of the earth. So, I is equal to 90 degree. Substitute I value in these two formula. BH is equal to BE cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Then BV is equal to BE sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. So BV is equal to BE. At poles, horizontal component is 0, but vertical component reaches maximum value. In this class, we discussed about 3 elements of Earth magnetic field. First one is magnetic declination. The angle between magnetic meridian and geographic meridian is called magnetic declination. Next, we discussed about magnetic inclination. The angle subtended by Earth total magnetic field with the horizontal direction in the magnetic meridian is called magnetic inclination. Next, we discussed about horizontal component of Earth magnetic field. The component of Earth magnetic field along the horizontal direction in the magnetic meridian is called horizontal component of Earth magnetic field. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe the video. Thank you.